Welcome to the Virtual Herbal Garden, where ancient wisdom meets cutting-edge technology. This immersive educational experience brings the fascinating world of medicinal plants from Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy right to your fingertips. Imagine exploring diverse biomes, mountains, riversides, and swamps, each filled with unique herbs native to those environments. As you wander through this stunning virtual world, you'll have the opportunity to interact with plants, gather valuable information, and register them in our digital encyclopedia, Aurdex. Think of it as a Pokémon Pokédex, but for medicinal herbs. Every plant you discover is logged, while undiscovered ones are marked in black, inviting you to explore further. The dynamic terrain features inclines and varied landscapes, enhancing realism and providing a true sense of adventure. To elevate the experience, we're introducing an immersive day-night cycle and weather changes that impact plant growth. For instance, certain herbs may only thrive or bloom under specific weather conditions or times of day, deepening your learning and engagement with the environment. Our project is developed using Unity, creating a rich game environment, while Blender enables us to craft realistic 3D models of each plant. Behind the scenes, PostgreSQL will manage our database, storing essential plant information, user data, and progress, all with scalability in mind. We'll initially deploy the game as a web app using WebGL, making it easily accessible via browser. Plus, we have exciting plans to expand into a mobile version, ensuring a seamless experience across devices. For hosting and storage, we'll leverage cloud services like AWS or Google Cloud, guaranteeing smooth performance and accessibility for all users. In conclusion, the Virtual Herbal Garden is more than just a game, it's a bridge between ancient herbal knowledge and modern technology. With dedication, collaboration, and these advanced features, we aim to bring this concept to life, offering a unique and engaging learning experience for users everywhere. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the Virtual Herbal Garden.